Once logged in and your status is set to available, you will start receiving contact requests from any queues you are skilled to. When a new call, chat, or email arrives to a queue, Engage Agent will highlight the text of the queue receiving the request in green. When a new call arrives and you are available to the queue, the application will transfer the call to the number you're signed in with, and Engage Agent will display the call information window below the queue's list, including the name of the queue the call originated from, and the CNAM and caller ID of the calling party. If you miss a call, you will receive a notification in the call information window indicating a ring no answer result. The call is recorded as missed, and your agent's status will be changed to not ready. When you answer the call on your device, the agent status will immediately be changed to busy on call, restarting your status timer to begin recording your on-call time. On the call information option bar, there are some call options available that let you control the call directly from the application. You can place the party on hold or mute your audio to the party. You can transfer the call to a third party, another agent, or even another queue. You have the option of adding another caller to the conversation, or three-way calling, as well as updating caller information, updating classification information, and even compiling the preferred agent routing fields. The final option is to end the call. When placing a caller on hold, the caller will hear a set of hold music selected by the admin. Using the mute button will appear as silence to the caller. Clicking transfer will open the transfer call window, providing an easy-to-follow wizard that helps you quickly transfer calls from the app, instead of using your device's transfer ability. This will keep the call active in your call center while giving you a simple way to transfer to other parties, queues, customer call surveys, or even transferring them to a different IVR menu on the account. Blind or cold will immediately transfer the call as soon as you hit OK. Controlled or warm allows you to dial out and speak to the third party first while your caller is placed on hold. Caller ID options allows you to choose the caller information that is sent to the third party for either the blind or warm transfer types. Use contacts will pass the original caller's ID through as your own, while use default will use the default caller ID for the account or for the assigned team if a team caller ID is specified in the admin portal. Use this one allows you to adjust which number is used as the caller ID if you have additional DNIS numbers assigned to the account. Under Destination Number, type the 10-digit number you are attempting to transfer your call to. You can also select the number from your personal speed dial options, or by clicking the phone book button and selecting a contact from the directory. For either queue, survey, or IVR, simply select the queue, survey, or IVR from the list and click OK. The call will end and the caller will be sent to the respective selection. Remember, blind transfers are immediately disconnected from your phone and transferred to the destination number without any additional warning, and warm transfers immediately place the caller on hold while the system attempts to connect you to the third party, so be sure to advise the customer of these expectations before you press OK. When choosing to add additional parties to your call, you will be given the option of a third party or IVR if this is activated by the account admin. Similar to a transfer, there are caller ID options as well as phone book, manual entry, and speed dial options for DID entry. If selecting IVR, you can choose an IVR from the list and follow the IVR options until a party is reached. Once you click OK, you will receive a message informing you that the call is taking place, and an additional message once the party has connected stating that you may add additional parties if need be. Be aware that the cap for adding additional callers is 12. Caller information, classification information, and preferred agent routing all have to be chosen as selections by the account admin to appear in the Engage Agent as options. Caller information allows you to save caller details as well as look up caller information if it was previously recorded. On the first screen, enter search criteria and click Next. If any criteria matches, you will be given the option to select from a list. If there are no matches, you will be given the option to create a contact. Selecting a contact will take you to an additional screen where you can see general information about the caller, take notes on the call, view recent interactions within a time frame, and even register the current interaction. If any changes are made, click Update Profile to save the information. Select Close to leave this screen. Selecting the Classifications tab will allow the agent to update any classification information that is either optional or required by call center admins. This will allow the agent to update during the call interaction. If classifications are required, however, the classification will auto-pop at the end of the call, and required fields will need to be completed prior to the agent proceeding to the next customer interaction. Preferred agent routing will open a window with the user's phone number pre-populated. This can be changed if the caller states that they will be calling back with a different number than they're currently using. The caller is then given a reference number that will coordinate with the caller's number. These two pieces of data, in conjunction with one another, will route the caller to the selected preferred agent. The agent can then assign themselves as the preferred agent, assign or change the preferred agent to another agent from the drop-down list, or even remove preferred agent routing from the caller. A Notes section is provided to assist in tracking the interaction, for example, where we left off when the caller last called in. Click OK when completed. Additionally, if a call has been completed, note that caller information, classification information, and preferred agent routing will all stay available while wrapping up the call. This allows the agent to complete any of this information post-interaction while wrapping the call, or while in after-call status. Please watch the additional videos to learn how to interact with clients via chat, email, and voicemail using the agent software.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.